friends, this is Jayadarshan, first year student from BIT-EEE department. I have made a project on LED torch. I will explain how the circuit will be and how it works. First of all, you will look at a glance about the circuit. Okay friends, you have seen how the circuit diagram will look like. I have made the connections in breadboard. Just take a look at this. Okay friends, you have seen the circuit, how it will be in the breadboard. Now first of all, I will tell what are the components we need to do this circuit. 3 resistors needed. One of 1k ohm, the second one is of 10k ohm, and the third one is of 270 ohm. 3 resistors needed, and a capacitor of 100 microfarads needed. IC 555 timer is needed. Then 2 diodes and 2 LEDs are needed. First of all, the 1k ohm resistor and the 10k ohm resistor should be connected in series. Here you can look at this. See, in series it is connected. Then a capacitor of 100 microfarad is also connected in series with these 2 resistors. And one thing that I have given this terminal as positive and this terminal as negative. So when we need to ground it, you can just give the connection to the here. And when you need to give to the positive supply, you can just give the connection to here. Okay friends, now I am going to explain about the 555 timer. In 555 timer, that is IC, 8 pins are there. The first pin should be grounded. As you can see that it is grounded here. Then the second pin and the sixth pin should be interconnected. From the 7th pin, take a piece of wire and connect it in between the 1k ohm resistor and 10k ohm resistor. After the connections are made, from the third pin, you take a piece of wire and connect it to the 270 ohm resistor. From the 270 ohm resistor, you take a piece of wire and connect it to the first diode. In first diode, you need to connect a LED. Here, this is LED 1. It is connected to the positive supply, and the negative end of the LED is connected to the positive of the diode 1. Here. From the IC, from the second pin, take a piece of wire and connect it in between the 10k ohm resistor and the capacitor. Then from this end, you take a piece of wire and connect it to the positive supply. In IC, the 8th pin and the 4th pin should be given to the positive supply. Here, the 2 blue wires will indicate the 8th and the 4th pin. Then here, this part of connection is over. Now, this is diode 1. From diode 1, that is in diode 1, from the cathode, you connect a piece of wire to the positive side of the second diode. Here the connection is. Next, from the cathode, in second diode, from the cathode, you take a LED, another LED, and connect here, and your positive side will be connected here, and the negative will be grounded automatically. Next, you place a piece of wire here and a piece of wire here. It will be given to the power supply. Yes, now the circuit is completed. Here there are the 2 wires. Here you give it to the positive supply, and here you give to the negative 5 volt supply to be given to this. Now after giving it to the supply, the 2 LED will glow. It indicates that the circuit is completely closed. Okay, that's friends. Till now you have seen how to do the LED torch project using a breadboard. Now I am going to do the same project using a dartboard. The difference between a breadboard and a dartboard is that breadboard is made up of plastic and it has interconnected metal strips. But in a dartboard, it is made up of a copper clad and it doesn't have some interconnected metal strip. You just take a look of this dartboard connections. Friends, now you have seen how the connections will be in the dartboard. To give connections in the dartboard, as I said, there are no interconnected metal strips, so you have to use solder to connect these wires. In breadboard, while you are making, it will be like a temporary circuit, but while making in a dartboard, it will be a permanent circuit. And you should design the circuit as small as possible, because you are making a product. It must be convenient to the customers, so you have to use a small place to give the circuit. Okay friends, I think you now know how to give connections in dot by using dot board. Okay.